What's up, everybody? Welcome to Prague. Hello world. It's April 7th, it's about 6:30, and had this idea originally 2 weeks ago to give you a tour of Prague under quarantine, but now we're about 3 weeks in and I think it should still be interesting. See what the world's like over here. Got my little trek ticket for anyone interested in bikes, and we're gonna take you from Náměstí Míru all the way to Prague Castle. Here's a little map.
So we're starting here at Náměstí Míru, or roughly translated the Square of Peace. We're gonna head down to the National Museum on top of Wenceslav Square, then down the street into Old Town Square, across the Charles Bridge, pass through Malostranské náměstí, or the small town square, see St. Nicholas, up Nerudová, and finally finish on top of the hill at Prague Castle.
And let's just jump into it. All right.
Wow, sun's gonna set right there.
I know. I'm hoping we'll still catch it when we're over the bridge. So we're starting off here in Prague 2. Honestly, at the start, the quarantine was pretty crazy, but now I think people have just gotten over it, and plus it's about to be spring. So I think we're gonna see a lot of people. Plus today, one of the reasons I wanted to film, it's like one of the first spring days in Prague. It's gorgeous. I'm gonna try to not kill people. Yeah, that's the park we're gonna go. I wanna go down those stairs, but I popped my tire last time I tried it. Might not be worth it.
Do it.
Oh, I bet that's good footy. Oh! It's the end, just knocks you into the ground. I bet I'm gonna get a flat. Woo! Here we go up to the Prague, the National Museum. Never actually done this. Oh. Was it worth it? Nah. So that was the National Museum. And now we're going down Wenceslav Square. Take you down the middle. Still emptier than it would be. No flat.
Up there, I think we should split up.
What's up?
There's a cop parked up there. I think we should not be three bikers together.
Yeah. If they can catch us. First video I've done like this. No music. No editing. Maybe it'll be a new thing. So this is the bottom of St. Wenceslas Square. And now we're heading into what is usually the most crowded place in all of Prague. This is between Wenceslas Square and then Old Town Square and then the Charles Bridge. So I'm curious to see what that little alleyway, it's like the tourist vein for Prague. Curious to see if it'll be still empty at all. No cars. I think I should wait a little for David and Connor. I think they might be a little sketched out that it's 3 of us biking. 3 weeks now it's been stay at home. I mean, obviously just quarantine, mask on no matter what, and no meetings of more than 2 people. Everyone's taking it in stride. It's good to see a lot of social responsibility. Well, via and here we go, Old Town Square. We'll do a little circle. Ooh, nice bike. St. Mikuláš, I think. There's 2 of them. We're gonna see the other one. That's Bažička, our 5th Ave. This is an old, beautiful medieval building. I don't know it. And that's a cathedral that no one really knows the name of. Scratch that. I don't know the name of, but despite that, it's still one of the most famous landmarks here. And of course, here we have the astronomical clock. I guess, there you go, I'll get close. I hit something. There's Connor boy. We do have to watch out for police a little bit. And here we go into, I think it's called the golden something, Golden Path. Wow. No one. Okay, 2 people. It's the Apple store, I mean museum. All right, yeah, here we go. More people. I'm speedy now, but once we get to the other side, it's all uphill. I'll probably just play it back faster. Wow. All right. So this time of year, there'd just be a wall of people here, and on the other side. It's pretty sick.
It's so sick.
And
It's
damn.
not like it used to be this dead.
Yeah, I guess because the Czechs are out, but the tourists are nowhere.
It's crazy.
It is, right? And I think we literally caught the golden hour as well as you possibly could, which was sick. A lot of Czech people saying how it's like once in 60 years that they've seen the city like this, and won't see it like this again for a while. And look, there's still a bunch of people on the bridge. What are y'all doing here? Oh! Damn. That is amazing. I'll shut up for a minute. Beautiful Prague. Won't miss Corona, will miss this. Should do a before and after. All right, let's catch up. So this is the small town square, Mala Strana. That's the other St. Mikuláš I was talking about. Right there. And I don't know how to cross the road. Okay. And now left. Yeah, so we're going straight uphill. And then we're gonna go hit those shitty stairs at the end. But it'll take us right to the square in front of the castle. Oh man, times like these I wish you could just take your face mask off. I'm wearing a ski mask too. Get that workout. This small side of Prague is known for having a lot of embassies. I think it's a little older. A lot of little alleyways. Pubs that are old as 1360. Embassy worker with a stylish mask, polka dot, and Connor getting that sweat. Woo! Man, also rare. There's a big ass lens. Embassy cars. Italian embassy, I think. Uh-oh. No, just kidding. The US embassy is what we should be afraid of. It's on the other street. Whew. So yeah, I guess people are just sort of getting over it, figuring out the lifestyle of staying home. Not as much fear anymore. That's one of my favorite pubs. It's medieval. And here we enter the steep as hell part, heading up to the Prague Castle. No wonder they built them on hills. I would give up. Trying to attack. Oh yeah. If we don't have to take stairs. I thought there were stairs here. That way will give us a better reveal. What, the stairs? Yeah. Yep. There he is.
Coming around the corner.
In his #1 gear. No sweat.
Somehow it seems like the way we're talking. We're fine.
Yeah.
For the video, right?
Yeah, for the video. Plus, it's kind of a cool area.
Place I went to in Prague, this restaurant.
Really?
When I studied abroad.
Yeah.
That restaurant.
Pilsner for 100. Damn, so Pilsner was probably like 50. That's all we do. That's how we gauge the economy in Prague. Price of beer. Or what would that be an indicator of? The power of the crown?
No idea.
I don't know, I'm talking out my ass. This
4 stairs, dude. You can find the camera.
Oh, look how sick it is though. This would be cool to go down.
More stairs. God, dude, feel like
No way. Oh. All right, people. Just a few streets above the castle. And on the right, we'll get the, I guess, main entrance to the castle, which will of course be closed. Whew. Wonder how long this has been. 15 minutes, 20? The pearly gates, and I'm out. This is Tomáš G. Masaryk. I think first democratic president of the Czechoslovak Republic after Austro-Hungarian Empire. Correct me in the comments. And here's our beautiful view, all to us. That's Petřín, one of our bigger parks in the center. Big old hill. Our Eiffel Tower, US Embassy down there. St. Mikuláš, which we saw, and if I can zoom in on the video, those 2 towers in the distance, that's where we started. All right, this has been Prague in week 4 of quarantine. Bike tour. I hope you enjoyed it. Health, love, and whatever to wherever you are in the world. See you in the next one.
I really want to do this. It's dangerous.
It's not dangerous, it's just gonna... In a turn of events, we decided not to end the video yet. By the way, Mom, I'm filming this from my helmet. David and I are gonna bike probably one of the longest stair sets in Prague. Aren't we, David? Mm-hmm. David, get out of my way. My helmet! Shit! I can't see! Oh my god, my f***ing helmet! Oh my god. Bro, I cannot goddamn see! Alright, peace, love, and happiness, and good health. See you in the next one.